Anderson. Oh my, he got hit! Looking to finish it! Chris Weidman is the UFC middleweight champion! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He has done it!
Wow! Boom! On the chin, he's out cold. Chris Weidman just knocked Anderson Silva out cold. You can't play games in the octagon.
The biggest fight of a young man's career. And for Tony Ferguson, he hopes his 12th professional win will make him the new Ultimate Fighter. 1:15 on the clock, round one. 3-round fight for the honor of the Ultimate Fighter. Good shot, and it's all over! Tony Ferguson is the Ultimate Fighter!
Wow! Woo! Out of nowhere.
Big right hand.
Tony El Cucuy Ferguson!
All right, Tony, congratulations. You are the Ultimate Fighter. You win the 6-figure contract. And, sure, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Football!
Oh, and that's it. That's all it takes from him is one shot. That's it. He knew he had to finish, and he got it done.